Alabama's got me so upset. Tennessee's made me lose my rest. Everybody knows about Mississippi, goddamn. Alabama's got me so upset. The whole world has made me lose my rest. Everybody knows about Mississippi, goddamn. Can't you see it? Can't you feel it? It's all in the air. I can't stand the pressure much longer. Somebody say a prayer. Alabama's got me so upset. Tennessee's made me lose my rest. Everybody knows about Mississippi, goddamn. Hound dogs on my trail, school children sitting in jail. Like cat across my path, I think every day's gonna be my last. Lord, have mercy on this land of mine. We all gonna get it in due time. I don't belong here, I don't belong there. I've even stopped believing in prayer. Almost, but not quite. Don't tell me, I'll tell you. Me and my people just about do. I've been there, so I know. They keep on saying, go slow. Well, that's just the trouble. Too slow. Desegregation. Too slow. Mass participation. Too slow. Unification. Too slow. Do things gradually. Too slow. Will bring more tragedy. Too slow. Why don't you see it? Why don't you feel it? I don't know. I don't know. You don't have to live next to me, love. Just give me my equality.